Nowadays, a lot of people say that AI can create music in seconds, but the most important point isn't just generating the sound. The real question is, does this work for people who actually create content? In today's video, I'm going to test Music Creator AI in practice, from the initial prompt to the actual use of editing tools, to understand if this platform really fits into the workflow of creators, developers, and content producers. All set? So let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to show you this amazing music generation tool called Music Creator AI. The link will be down below in the description of this video. And notice that it can generate songs up to 8 minutes long and is 100% royalty free. So, if you use these songs here commercially, you'll be able to generate them and you won't have to worry about copyright issues. Everything you create here belongs to you. So after you sign up, they give you some credits so you can test it out. And if your interface isn't showing up in Portuguese like this, just select Portuguese from the menu. It should come in English, but then just switch it to Portuguese. From there, just click here to start creating our music. So you can see that the interface here is very intuitive. It's very similar to other tools we already have on the market today. I have here the AI music generator. Here in the prompt field, you will type your command. So you will tell the artificial intelligence what kind of music you want to create. And here in the lyrics section, if you have your own lyrics, if you've created and written these lyrics, you can upload them here and ask the artificial intelligence to turn those lyrics into music. Another option here is the AI lyrics generator. So you will give the title, put your basic idea, and it will generate the lyrics for you. We can also use this tool here to remove vocals. So if you have a complete song with all the instruments, you can remove the vocals and leave only the instrumental. Something very similar happens here in the stem separator. So you'll have the bass, acoustic guitar, electric guitar, and vocals all separated so you can choose which one you want to use or which one you want to edit. Another feature here is the AI singing voice generator. This is really cool because you can clone your own voice. I'll show you in a moment how I did it, and it's pretty interesting. The AI music cover generator is also available here, so you can select your own voice or one of the ones that appear here in the library. You upload a song here or use one you've already created, and then you create the cover with this voice or your own cloned voice. Another feature here is mastering, MIDI editor, audio to MIDI. You can also convert, key and beats per minute detector, beats per minute calculator, and music video with AI. So, there are several options here for you to produce your content. Let's start here with the AI music generator. So here I'm going to type my prompt. If I want instrumental music without vocals, I just select this part here. Then I enter my prompt. An electronic instrumental music with a futuristic vibe, medium tempo, designed for technology videos, AI, and digital products without vocals. So, once that's done, you click here and it will generate your music. This first one here is without vocals, just the instrumental. And for that, it will use 2 credits. Let's see how it turns out. Later, I'll show you a song with vocals that I also generated, and it turned out really cool. The music generation time here can vary, so it can vary between a minute and a half, and it already gives you 2 versions to choose from. Done, it's finished here, let's listen. Cool, second version. That one turned out really nice too. If you like the result, just click here on the download button and then you can download the file in MP3 or WAV format or the commercial license directly to your computer. You choose what you want to do. Everything is available here. If you want to change something, just click here on Remix. What are you going to do? You can turn it into a music video, a cover, extend it, remove the vocals, or separate the stems. So this editing option is also available here. What sets this tool apart from the others is that instead of just generating the audio, it also allows you to make specific edits, which is really cool. Now let's listen to a song that I also created here, but this time with vocals. The first one is called Amor de Universitario.
Você saiu pela porta, levando o resto de mim. Sobrou sua xícara na pia e o cheiro do nosso fim. Seu moletom na cadeira, seu riso preso no ar. Até o seu shampoo no box me pergunta se cê vai voltar. Foi amor perdido, mas ainda mora aqui. Toda vez que eu tomo uma eu acabo bebendo por ti. Foi amor bandido que roubou meu...
It turned out great. Let's hear the other version. Notice that it sounds like the singer is performing live, right? You can even hear the sound of the audience.
Você saiu pela porta, levando o resto de mim. Sobrou sua xícara na pia e o cheiro do nosso fim. Seu moletom na cadeira.
Legal também, né? Aí eu pedi pra criar outra música, só que com estilo totalmente diferente. Vamos ouvir.
Trono vazio, salão de espelho e pó, promessa de ouro.
Version number 2 now.
Trono vazio, salão de espelho e pó.
Golden Promise.
Queimar mais alto que o sol. Eu era só mais um rosto na multidão, mas o gosto do aplauso fez raiz no coração. Eu quis o topo.
Directly to your PC. Now let's test this other feature here that's really cool. AI Vocal Remover. So I'm going to select it here. Then you can take one of these songs that you've already generated.
I've been all around the globe, seen the sun and watched it glow.
To remove the vocals, I'll need 2 credits. While it's processing here, let's test the stem separator. So once again, I'm going to upload the same song here as well. I'll use up 2 credits and I'll ask it to do this separation for me. Alright, it finished separating just the vocals here. Let's see how it turned out. So, first, just the instrumental here. I'll mute the vocal audio and let's listen to the music. Cool! Now I'll disable the instrumental and leave only the vocals. Music! Very cool. Now let's check the separation of the stems. Look, it's separated here into vocals, drums, bass, and other. So first, here's the vocals. Music. Now just the drums, music. Now just the bass. And now the other one. Very cool. If you like the result, by clicking here on the 3 dots, you can download these zipped files directly to your computer. Now let's go to one of the coolest features, the AI singing voice generator. So, what do you need to do? Well, first, you're going to name your voice. Then, if you want, it's optional, you can also upload a photo to identify your voice. There you go. You have 2 options. You can either upload the audio file here or record yourself reading these messages that appear here. Why? To train the model. So, you're going to read these sentences, replacing the suggested text here. They recommend at least a minute of recording or audio that you have on your computer. So, as you upload the audio here or read these instructions that appear here, the timeline here will keep moving forward. So, at most, your audio can be 10 minutes long. So the longer your audio is, the better the sound quality will be. Consequently, your clone will be better for this training, depending on the length of the audio you uploaded here. The artificial intelligence will take about 10 to 30 minutes to clone your voice once your voice clone is ready. You can use it however you want to generate music here in Music Creator. So this part is for you to create your voice clone so you can use it You go here to the AI music cover generator. You have two options. Either you select one of these personalities available here to cover the song you want, or you use the model you just created using artificial intelligence. Then you can upload a song you have on your computer, or if not, click here on My Songs. Then you will use the songs you created here within the platform, and every time you request a cover, it will consume 2 credits. Listen to how a song that was generated here within the platform turned out, but now with my voice. First, the original.
Trono vazio, salão de espelho e pó.
Agora, the same song but now with my voice. Oh, Lord. Oh, 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 no. Empty throne, hall of mirrors, and golden promise burns higher than the sun. I was just another face in the crowd, but the taste of applause took root in my heart. I wanted the top. The top wanted my footing. I thought it turned out very similar. When we hear our own voice, it's hard to tell, but especially here with this tool, I thought it turned out very similar. Let me know in the comments below if you think so too. In my opinion, it really does sound like I'm singing this song. Obviously, I don't have any musical talent, but it turned out similar. Another really cool feature here in the tool is mastering with AI. What is that for? Maybe you want to use the song you created here on Spotify, for example, or any other platform. This song needs to be in higher quality, otherwise it won't work. Check out this example here. This is the original audio. I'll play it just so you can listen.
Trono vazio.
It's the same song now, but with the mastered audio.
Trono vazio, salão de espelho e pó, promessa de ouro, queima mais alto que o sol.
Did you notice how the audio sounds cleaner? It boosted the vocals here, kept the instruments there, but everything is balanced. He did this mastering and gave me the finished file so I can publish it. So, this is really interesting because if you create music for professional use, you don't need to take this audio to another tool. It does the mastering within the platform itself. Now, for those who are musicians and need more advanced tools, I also have here the AI MIDI editor. So, for those who understand, this is a really cool feature. Obviously, I'm not an expert, I'm not a professional, but for those who work with this tool, this feature is really handy. Because here you have a full-featured option to edit your MIDI files using artificial intelligence. Now, if you want to automate this process even more, you just need to send the file here and ask the AI to turn the file into MIDI. Let's see how it works. And here, this is the song.
I've been all around the globe, seen the sun and watched it glow.
All these songs were generated right here inside Music Creator, okay? So let's go. I'm going to ask it to convert. It will process the audio and give me the result right away. Done. It's finished. I have two options here. Download the MIDI file or edit it in the MIDI editor. I chose to edit it, so I'll hit play here and let's listen. This is very useful and can make life much easier for those who work with music. Speaking of price now, take a look at the options here. With the free account, it gives you some credits so you can test the tool, that's it. And this version also has some limitations. Now, with the beginner plan, you will pay $10.49, and then you will be able to generate up to 200 songs per month. Now, if you're at the hobby level, it's 500 songs per month for $20.99. But if you're a professional and use the tool a lot, by paying $34.99, you'll be able to generate 1,200 songs per month. So guys, give it a try. The links will be down here in the description of this video, and then come back here in the comments to tell me what you thought of Music Creator AI. Cool, right? So after using Music Creator AI in practice, it's clear that the idea here is quite different. Less of a magic button and more creative control. So, if you want to try it out, the link is in the description and in the first pinned comment. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.